Let's see.
We already drank like 3 water bottles, dude.
It's not better?
Let me see.
It's definitely better.
I mean, I can't even fucking watch because the fucking Wi-Fi is so shit here. Hold on. Yeah, no, it's good, bro.
Yeah, you fucking pieces of shit. Alright, let me see, hold on. Fuck, man, I hope this doesn't fuck it up, but fuck it.
It's kind of crazy how I already lost this.
Alright, I think that's good.
We want to troll Pizza Planet. You will pay off your debt. We want someone to trigger. Let us trigger Pizza Planet.
Hello.
They have a point, Moises.
Let's see.
If you walk into that room right now, you will make like $2,000.
Okay, hold on, wait, let me... Am I hard pressing this? How do you know how to do this? Am I missing this wrong? Like, I'm not...
Wait, hold on.
You know how to do this? I don't...
Yeah, wait 1 sec. I gotta do something real quick. This Wi-Fi is so shit. Here, just put this in.
Yeah, but how? I tried, like...
And you just put it down.
Yeah, but what? I told you.
Oh, this way.
Moises, stop being a baby and take the tuk-tuk into the city. Stop being afraid and waiting for us.
Wait a second. Hold on. Wait. Oh, what's this? Call.
Maybe you have to hold it down. Oh, shit!
I have 2 ways. 2 things.
Oh!
2 things you should do.
What?
Walk in that room, look at camera at Burger, talk to him, and then call Sam and tell him, no, you can't have Burger. You make like $7 grand today.
Why is there only one? That's it? Hold on.
I just gave you the foolproof plan, my guy.
Hold the fuck on.
It's up to you if you're gonna do it.
Yeah, hold the fuck on.
What are you doing? What are you doing? What is that wrong with the cup?
Oh shit, fuck, I'm not on. Hold on.
What are you doing, man?
Nah, we're good now.
Good what? What did you just do?
This, I guess this was the whole thing. This is horrible, but fuck it.
It's espresso.
Hopefully it helps me take a deuce.
It's espresso, dude. Dude, fuck the deuce. Take the sauce, man.
Nah, I want this to take a deuce first. Trust me, trust me.
No, trust
yeah,
me.
no.
I've been doing this for years.
Huh? Yeah, no, but I got a thing. I want to take a deuce before I take the pill.
I got a thing too.
Yeah, trust me. Trust me. I got a
Bro,
thing.
man, you just
Hold on.
listen. At least walk in that room with that coffee and sip it as you talk to Burger.
Nah, bro, they're gonna I'm not gonna do that.
What's the downside?
Bro, they're gonna go in there and it's just gonna be non-stop Xenon, you fat bitch, you gingered hair fuck.
Yeah, but
Nah, bro,
you know what
I'm
that
not.
means?
Yeah,
It's gonna be nonstop.
no, bro.
Yes.
Bro, I'm not gonna put it in his face and then just hear, oh, you gingered fat fuck.
I will have this camera shoved up Enon butt with all donations that are waiting to troll him. Be the streamer of the people.
True, bro. Think about this. All right, Sam Pepper is going to do it if you don't. Do you really want that money?
Do you think he's running over here?
Yes. Do you really want that money going to Sam Pepper? I think you deserve the money more than he does. Nobody wants to, you know what I mean? Like, you're the one who needs
Hey guys,
the money,
it's me,
bro.
Burger. I'm out stalking fat Indian woman to lick my ginger sausage. Be honest, Chad, I'm I ugly. I used to stalk girls in New York when I was Xenon. It was my bondage name.
No, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over there with my espresso, and I'm just gonna be like, "Yo, you want to just head out for a little?" And I'm just gonna be like, "Yo."
Oh, I get it. You smart. You playing the nice guy.
No, I don't know what.
Oh, yeah, Burger, you want to come hang out with me?
No.
The donuts fly?
No,
Yeah, I see you.
No, hold on, wait. Should I move my things aside, or we have everything separated? This is my section. That's Joel's.
Yeah.
All right, so this is not separate. Shit, hold on, wait, let me see. I'm just gonna be like, yo. Be like, yo.
Also, if you're worried about Burger beating you up, he ain't gonna beat you up, bro.
Huh? Nah, to be honest, that. Well, let me not, bro.
What are you worried about?
No, I'm.
Having respect.
Huh? No,
Fuck respect.
Bro, I think a 4v1,
Bro,
I'll be able to
we're
beat the
in-
shit out of guys.
Guess what, bro?
What?
When the cameras go on during a subathon, there is no more respect.
Hold on, wait. I'm gonna come right on back. Hold on. Oh, there's a PC here. I can log in right here, probably. Hold on. Oh, is it over? Bird. Well, in 2 hours, I'm not going to sleep. It's working. The data's working, but I just don't know how long it's gonna last. It'll last. Did you fix yours, Burger? Or no?
I just paid $1,300. You're not live now, right?
Yeah, no, I am live.
I just paid $1,300 to get. They said I had. Dude, I've been on the phone, or I've been on like tech.
$1,300 for what? I'm live right now.
Tech support for like over an hour with Verizon and with tech coach or whatever. And they told the first guy said, "Well, you'd have to wait because the phone Verizon."
Moises,
Wait,
keep doing
so
your
you
thing,
paid?
G. I spank you
just
for bringing
literally
back
paid-
some scuffed
you literally
content to
just paid
India.
your phone off
Pizza Planet is a
completely
bigger
off.
crybaby than
That-
Zeus.
I was gonna
Team A is going to win.
Can you make that?
What?
Okay, they said that when you buy a phone at Verizon, that they do a network lock on the phone for 60 days, and my 60 days isn't up until May 20th. And the only way I can unlock is just like fully pay off.
So you literally just paid
then I paid-
$1,300 right now.
I paid the phone all the way off because it's an S23 Ultra, and it's I had $800 off already. And then the guy after I paid off.
Holy fuck! I think I can't be near you with like the TTS. It's just
Pizza
gonna kind
Planet,
of
the
be
Predator
crazy.
Xenon.
Huh?
Gingerhead Sausage Planet, musty butt.
Then the guy's like, "Oh, it could take up to 60 days to go through." I'm like, "How does that fucking help me? Like, why would I?" He's like, "Your best bet is just to wait 15 days." I'm like, that's not going to work
Nah.
for me.
So you literally just bought it outright.
Yeah, and then it's like, then they're saying like, "Oh, that's." I don't know. I'm so frustrated. So I just paid like $1,500 and then it's still not fucking working.
That's great. So wait, so once he puts a SIM card in, are we gonna go or no?
Xenon the peon,
Oh, yeah,
fat,
okay,
fat,
yeah,
fat,
no, I can't.
Xenon the peon,
Yeah, no,
fat,
no,
fat,
no, I'm
fat,
gonna-
Xenon the
I'm-
peon, Xenon the peon, Xenon,
Huh?
Xenon,
Wait,
Xenon,
they're
Pizza
all
Planet,
they're all
Xenon the
typing
peon.
burner accounts on Streamlabs. I have to go on Streamlabs.
Streamlabs.
Yeah, like all these people are choosing fake names. Like somebody that just donated, his name was Moises the Ginger.
Well, why don't you
I have to go inside Streamlabs.
make it where they gotta like log in?
Yeah, but wait, are you going live or no?
I mean, if I can get this shit.
Yeah, no, go live. All right, let's get this going on.
People are gonna be harassing me.
No. I'm gonna just go. I'm gonna go back to the room and then you let me know. I'm gonna go back to the room and if you want to go live,
I can message you on Discord. It might be like another hour. I don't know.
another hour.
I don't know, man. I'm trying to figure it out.
No, I feel.
Like an hour and the guy didn't do fucking anything, and it cost me $1,300.
Shit.
And it didn't even fix the. He's like, "Oh, I can fix it once you pay it." And then I paid it. He's like, "Oh, I am finding out now that it can take up to 60 days to clear." Your
After
best
you
bet."
bought
Yeah,
the
he's
phone,
like- and then he's like, "Oh, He's like, "Your best bet is to wait 15 days." I'm like, "That's."
tell them you're in India.
I did, man. I did. And then he's like, he gave me this like roaming, like international. Let's see what it's called. It's like international roaming thing. I don't know what is it called. Oh, it says it unlocked for international carrier, but it's just like
Mods.
this data roaming plan where it's like 2 gigabyte data a day, and it's only after that it's only 3G, like 3G speeds. It's like that's definitely not gonna work.
Huh. All right. So you spent $1,300 and still.
Well, my mom did. I don't have $1,300. I'm gonna have to pay her back. But
Oh, so you took a loan from your mom. All right.
I don't know what else to do. I'm in fucking India trying to stream, and it's not working.
All right. Well, if you try to if you get it situated, I hope you do. Fucking, I'm gonna be in the other room.
I will too.
Yeah.
Hey, if you're gonna go out and about, it's probably getting hot later. Though I don't know if I wear a hoodie.
Huh? No, yeah. I'm gonna take a shower. I'm gonna pop a deuce real quick too.
Moises.
Yo. Yo.
Actually, it's nice. I was only 7.
Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna pop a deuce. It's gonna be what,
So
9 p.m.
hold on. You're gonna go shower and pop a deuce.
Careful, we don't want your eyes to start burning again. You know?
Yeah. It's literally gonna be max 10 minutes.
Fuck the shower. You know what to do.
Nah, bro. I swear we just got here. Bro, we just got here. Bro, this is so bad. We just got here, and I think
Pizza box,
it's better
pizza
for
box,
everybody
pizza box,
to just
Xenon, fat loser, pick 'em someone your own size. Pizza box is a big loser for it. Pressing Jill, Xenon. You paid 1,000.
Out of here, bro.
He's gonna burger slap you next.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
me too.
Okay.
I can tell.
I'm gonna hit you with this.
Moises the fucking weirdo.
Moises the IQ shill.
Well, what the fuck? Alright, cool. Alright, I'm gonna just come back at a later time.
Where you
Alright.
going?
I'm gonna take a deuce. Alright, Jesus Christ, bro. Jesus. Bro, like, I'm not that type of person. Y'all guys is crazy. I know, I just instigate. Alright, so not only did it read out, let me actually read what it said, though, too. The first one. The most recent one. Alex. Okay. Yo, Sky High, thank you for subscribing on YouTube. I appreciate it. Alex said, pizza box, Xena, fat loser. Pick on someone your own size. Pizza box is a big loser for person Joe. Xena. Haha, you paid $1,300, get fucked low. That shit was crazy, kind of. God damn. Holy fuck. Okay. Yo, do we... I think it's not on slow mode. Hold on, let me see. Okay. Hold on, I'm gonna take this. Pop a deuce. Hold on, wait. Let me find that SIM card. Give me a quick second. Let me find that SIM card. Hold on. Let me find that SIM card. Hold on. Let me find it. Hold on. I need that to bond to get better data.
Moises, why did you have TDS volume turned off?
Are you stupid? It's
No
fucking
more
loud as fuck.
TDS for you for me. No guts, no glue.